Welcome to our channel. If you want to find winning products to sell online, follow these step-by-step instructions to identify profitable items for your e-commerce business. Step 1. Analyze trending products on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest to identify items gaining viral attention and consumer interest. Step 2. Use product research tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or Sell the Trend to analyze sales data, competition levels, and profit margins for potential products. Step 3. Browse Amazon bestsellers and new releases sections across different categories to identify products with high demand and positive growth trends. Step 4. Check AliExpress and Alibaba for suppliers offering products with good reviews, reliable shipping, and reasonable minimum order quantities. Step 5. Evaluate product criteria, including profit margin potential over 30%, lightweight for lower shipping costs, and problem-solving benefits that customers value. Step 6. Research competition by analyzing how many sellers offer similar products, their pricing strategies, and identifying gaps you can fill with better marketing. Step 7. Validate demand using Google Trends to ensure consistent or growing search interest over time rather than seasonal spikes or declining popularity. Step 8. Test your product with a small initial order before scaling up. Run targeted ads and gather customer feedback to confirm market fit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.